Hey, beautiful Gemini, let's see what's coming up your way for the next 7 days. This is for the sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And Gemini, you got the card Three of Pentacles. This is great time for showcasing your quality work. You have some skills. If you have produced some work, now is the time when you put forward that work into the world so that people can see it. And as you do that, you are getting praises and admiration from them. This is also great time for collaboration and teamwork. In the past, you got the Queen of Wands. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could have been influencing your life. Fire, this Queen of Wands is spiritually protected. She is chasing her happiness. She is facing the sun, which means that she is bold, assertive, she is fearless, and she goes after the things that she wants. In the upcoming days, you got the Death card. Scorpio could be influencing your life. Death is deep-seated transformation. Some things have to end. Some things have to transform and evolve in order for new beginnings to happen. And the advice for you is the Two of Cups has to do with the soulmate connection. It is as if you are being asked by the universe to collaborate, first of all, to work in groups, to interact with other people. Do not isolate yourself. Be go get in driven and don't resist this change. Let this change happen. This is how this connection, if this is a love relationship, if this is in money career area, is going to strengthen. And in the outcome section, you have the magician. You are being asked to use your skills and resources in appropriate amount in order to get your desired results. You have gotten all the skills, all the resources. You just need to get going on something. And at the bottom of the deck you got Nine of Swords. Again, Nine of Swords is something is bothering you, but here you have the choice. Do you want to be a victim or a survivor? If you want to be a survivor, you will need to make a change. You, with a magician, like, this is not as if universe is going to throw everything into your lap. You will have to make some action, take some action, and here is the action. Do not be a victim, be a survivor, and get out of your comfort zone. I hope it helped, and I'll see you next time.